How to recover your Facebook account if Facebook says they disabled your account for 180 days. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can recover your Facebook if it can't be recovered for 180 days. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up a browser. After that, or you may just open up Google and search for recover your Facebook account. After that, click on the very first link that says recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. After that, you'll be redirected to another page. So here you can see a bunch of options. I just want you to scroll down a bit until you see these what's this helpful option. So you just need to simply click on no. After that, click on other. And here you can see, can you say more? So what you're gonna do is simply type in your issue here, like how you want your account back and how you want to recover your Facebook account. So you just need to type in the reasons and everything and try convincing Facebook how you want your Facebook account back. So simply type in your reasons. After that, submit, and Facebook should try to reach out to you to help you fix your account before 180 days. So therefore, by following this method, you may recover your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.